Duck Duck Dinosaur Bubble Blast by Kallie George. This is Cayden. This is Mason. And this is their friend Rexy.
Rex!
It is summer. Time for fun.
Fun! Let's play catch. I missed.
Big fun.
Yum.
Small fun. Summer fun. Cayden, Mason, and Rexy get dirty. Very dirty.
Uh-oh.
Time for a bath.
No, that's not fun. No!
Rexy jumps into the pool. Cayden and Mason do not. Time for soap.
Soap is not fun. No!
Soap! Yes,
Rexy takes a bar of soap. Cayden and Mason do not. Time for scrubbing.
No, scrubbing is not fun. No!
Rexy scrubs with a rag. Cayden and Mason do not.
Cayden and Mason, it is time for soap. It is time to scrub. It is time for
Bubbles?
Yes, bubbles are fun! Yes, bubbles, yes.
Cayden and Mason jump into the pool. Soon, bubbles are everywhere. Big bubbles. Small bubbles. Bubbles are fun. And bath time is fun too.